Hi, I'm Jennifer, owner of Anatomy of Style Interior Design, and today I want to show you my 12 favorite plants for detoxing the home that are very easy to care for and have low water requirements as well. So before I show you my favorite plants, I just want to take a second to acknowledge that NASA is the one who did the study on plants, and they found that they detox the air and remove harmful chemicals. In addition, plants are also known to increase mood and productivity, enhance concentration and memory, and reduce stress and fatigue. So I don't know a single person who would not benefit from all of these things. So let's talk about plants, but first, let's talk about how are these chemicals getting into your home in the first place, you might wonder. So these are all the ways that chemicals can enter your home if you are not mindful in specifying products that are eco-friendly. Now, cleaning products are a very simple one to overcome because there are so many great products on the market. My favorite is 7th generation or method, and they do not emit harmful chemicals. So Green Guard is a great label which will show you in the home furnishings industry which items are safe from these harmful chemicals. So my first favorite plant is called the snake plant or mother-in-law tongue, Sansevieria. I have 12 of these. They are very drought tolerant, very hardy, and great for Feng Shui. Feng Shui says that they will bring protection and you are to place them by your front door or any major opening. And they work particularly well with mid-century modern and contemporary style. The dragon tree is one of my favorites. I have one of these as well. It's almost 7 feet tall. It's very drought tolerant, removes lots of chemicals. And this one too works with mid-century modern and contemporary styles. Aloe vera needs no introduction. It's obviously drought tolerant, has a lot of benefits, including feng shui and removing chemicals. Pathos is very hardy, does not require much water, is feng shui, and works with all styles. It is impossible to kill and it removes a lot of chemicals. Philodendron, also very hardy, low water requirements, and is feng shui. I think this works great with any style. The peace lily is very unique. I don't see this too often. Does not require much water, removes a lot of chemicals. I think it would look very pretty in a traditional style home, but could work in contemporary as well. The Chinese evergreen I think is stunning. It comes in both this red-tipped leaf as well as solid green options, does not require too much water, and removes a lot of chemicals. I think it's gorgeous. The next one is the ficus, very popular. It's also feng shui, doesn't require much water, but it's not drought tolerant either. So it removes chemicals, and I think this one needs to be solely for traditional style interior homes. I don't think this works with contemporary. Spider plants, they're not exactly drought tolerant, but they do remove chemicals. They're very hardy, and I think they are quite beautiful, and they add a unique design element to any style decor. Rubber plants, again, just your average water, but they do remove chemicals and they add a unique vibe. I don't see this kind of plant too often. I think it's pretty cool. Bamboo palms, again, average on the water, but they remove so many chemicals and are very hardy and beautiful, so I included them here. Lemon button fern, this is adorable, very unique, goes with all styles of interiors in my opinion. Removes a lot of chemicals, but does require the average water. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a brand new channel, so please feel free to like and subscribe. There will be more videos to come on eco-friendly interior design, so stay tuned.